Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two types of ovarian cysts in a patient. Both ovaries have a cyst. One cyst is the chocolate ovarian cyst, the other is the hemorrhagic ovarian cyst. You can see this is unibladder, this is uterus, and this one is cervix. Now you will see in the transverse view both the ovaries are visible. The left ovary has a hemorrhagic ovarian cyst, while the right ovary shows a chocolate ovarian cyst. Most ovarian cysts are small sac filled with fluid on the ovaries. These are called simple ovarian cysts. If an unexpected cyst or enlarged ovary is found during a pelvic examination, you should have a vaginal ultrasound to assess for cancer. Ultrasound is usually the first imaging modality for the assessment of ovarian lesions. Imaging features of simple ovarian cyst are anechoic, intra-ovarian, or exophytic. There are many types of ovarian cysts such as dermoid cyst and endometrioma cyst. However, functional cysts are the most common types. These two types of functional cyst include follicle and corpus luteal cyst. Follicular cyst during a woman's menstrual cycle, an egg grows in a sac called the follicle. This sac is located inside the ovaries. Most often, the follicle or sac breaks open and releases an egg. But if the follicle doesn't break down open, the fluid inside the follicle can form a cyst on the ovary. Now the corpus luteal cyst. The follicle sacs typically dissolve after releasing an egg, but if the sac doesn't dissolve and the opening of the follicle seals, additional fluid can develop inside the sac, and this accumulation of fluid causes a corpus luteum cyst. Now there are other types of ovarian cyst called the differential diagnosis of benign ovarian cyst includes simple cyst, hemorrhagic, corpus luteum cyst, dermoid, also called mature cystic teratoma, dermoids. Then there is endometriomas or the chocolate ovarian cyst, pedunculated fibroids, hydrosalpinges, paratubal and para-ovarian cysts. Peritoneal inclusion cyst, also known as pseudocyst. Chocolate cyst, as you can see in this case, the right ovary shows a chocolate cyst. Chocolate cysts are non-cancerous, road-filled cysts that typically form deep within the ovaries. They get their name from their brown tar-like appearance, looking something like melted chocolate. They are also called ovarian endometriomas. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.